Сделал на пробу carbon fiber trunk. Ну, мне не очень нравится, потому что bubbles и вообще, но так как-то интересно, конечно. Это Вика, Вероника, чика-чика-чика-чика, а я клубника, чика-чика-чика-чика. Just finished working on a hood with this 6D carbon fiber vinyl, and this is how it looks. I'm actually pretty happy with the look. It really does look like a real carbon fiber. My hood was all scratched out, and the paint was fading, and clear coat was fading, and now all that is gone, and the car looks totally cool. I'm tempted to do the whole car with this thing. Look how cool it looks. Did the same thing with the trunk. Haven't put the decals back. This is the trunk, was the same thing. It was faded and scratched out. Well, it looks very nice actually. Wow. So guys, doing a little DIY project for my 9.3 Saab. I thought my lights were a little bit too much, and I'm thinking maybe I should expose them less. So I'm deleting a little bit of the glass work and making them a little thinner. What do you think? So it's gonna be a little bit thinner than normal, because I don't really need the lights to be that high, and I just thought maybe it will be a little bit unusual. We'll see. Finish this side. It looks pretty good. Makes the light thinner, and I'm gonna work on this one now. I'm gonna apply it with a squeegee, and then I'm gonna cut it like right here, and see how that looks. I really enjoy working with a vinyl film. It's a lot of fun. I just finished the trunk and then the hood, and look how it looks. Incredible. Absolutely fantastic. All right, looks like the first stage of the DIY project is done. I finished the hood, finished the trunk with the carbon fiber. I gave the lights a little bit thinner look, just to see how it looks like. I deleted partially the grill, just also to see how it's gonna look, and I'm gonna see how I like it. Just looking for something different, but I'm really happy with the way the hood looks. It's incredible. It looks like real carbon fiber. Wow. I'm so tempted to do the whole car. I might just do the whole car with this carbon fiber look. Really, really incredible. Wow. Remembering how my hood was before, it's night and day. I just wanted to do this little things to sell this car, to get a better value, and now I don't know if I'm going to sell it. If I do the whole car, it's gonna look like a rocket ship. Very expensive, like something that's never seen out there on the road. In order to reapply the decals, badges, I'm gonna clean this up here with my razor, and I'm gonna do the double tape. I cut it on the thin stripes like this, and I'm gonna apply it here and reapply it on the car. So I decided to keep going, and I'm gonna delete at the grill. Instead of chrome, I'm gonna make it also carbon fiber, and I'm gonna show you in a few minutes how it looks. First thing I did is like I laid it out flat, and I did a frame with a heat gun. I warm it up just a little bit, and it becomes almost liquid. You cannot have a pointing heat gun in the same way, same place, because it's going to make a hole. It's going to burn a hole in the vinyl. So now you see it's easy to just do this. Of course I'm gonna use squeegee, but squeegee is not even needed right now because it works perfectly. It's so easy, as you can see. And this part I haven't warmed up, and you see it's not relaxed. I need to relax the film a little bit. Okay, and see how it's how easy it's done. Of course I'm gonna cut excess of film later. Right now I'm just kind of laying it out, tuck it in as much as I can. So this is not warm enough, okay? Alright, so now I need to disconnect it here. Okay, so laid out very nicely. Hey guys, the project is finished. Yes, I put the decals on the same spots. I didn't even clean the adhesive because I wanted to know exactly where to put it. So now it fits perfectly. I'm actually very happy with the result, and I also went ahead and I did carbon fiber vinyl the grill. I blacked out the grill. Mine as well. Just see how it looks. Alright, well, if you've liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and give me some comments. Feel free to share this video with somebody that owns Saab, and I'll see you next time.